Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking marigolds. They're so on trend, so popular with their vivid yellow and bright orange faces, but the fragrance, some people hate it. And if you're adding it to something, say, on a dining table or in a wedding bouquet, that fragrance can be a little distracting. Here's your pro tip. If you remove all of the foliage, no scent, it's not a problem. So you take each stem, remove all of the foliage. That's where the fragrance is. Remove that, hydrate, let them sit. The fragrance will dissipate. And when you go to design, you have beautiful flowers, fragrance-free.